Hello investor, welcome back to your channel of share market business. Here we are going to discuss about the business, right? As promised, every time we have to discuss about the business before investing any of these stocks because you are going to invest in business, okay? So we have to understand everything. So let's proceed and understand this stock now. So as per the data available, this will be a long-term growth stock currently trading with 40% discount, okay, which is good opportunity for us. And again, this is future-oriented business, okay. The stock which I'm referring is ikio Lighting, ikio Lighting. Okay, why I choose this particular stock? Because currently this stock is trading 40% discount. People feel they are trapped in this particular stock before knowing any fact, any study to the business. So let's see how this particular business looks like. So current market capitalization is very small, that just 2,236 crore, and current price is 289, and it is trading 40% discount from 477. The book value 67, stock P 34, ROCE, ROE 39 and 30, and face value is 10. Looks to be very optimistic. Okay, if anyone don't know what is this ROC, ROE, stock P, and then all those information required, let me know in comment section. And when this particular stock listed on NSE, it was with 37.7% gain, saying that it was listed with rupees of 392 and then suddenly went to 477. Why? You know why? Because of FOMO, fear of missing out. They saw 392 listed. Now we should buy immediately, otherwise we will lose the opportunity. They start buying and the stock went to 477. And now from 477 it's a trading at 289 and they feel they are trapped. Okay, let's see this chart. This chart started, and this is very new stock. This is not very old. Listed in June 2023, went to 477. Now trading as 288. From the top, it's 40% discount, and from the listed, it's almost 30% discount. Okay. So now we have to study basis of all this information. This is already discussed multiple times. Video link is given. You can go through the video to understand everything in details. Okay. Let's see the key point of this particular business. The key points are LED light. You know that everywhere LED light is being used. That is most important. Product display lighting in commercial refrigeration, and this energy, most happening point. Energy solution, solar panel. Everyone is aware of what is this? Lithium battery. These are the future of the business. Okay, energy things, LED and everywhere. So saying that this is future oriented business. Okay, why we are looking as optimistic in this particular business? Look at the capacity expansion. Companies planning for a greenfield expansion through manufacturing facility at Noida, consisting of 3 blocks. You can read all the details. They're looking for a capacity expansion. If any business looking for a capacity expansion, definitely they are going to grow in a long term. Okay, also they're looking for a backward integration. What does it mean? The company is fully backward integrated company, right from design and development to the manufacturing tools and molds to fabrication, assembling and testing. Everything doing by themselves. So they have good opportunity to grow in a long term. And look at the client, Signify Innovation, which was earlier Philips Electronics. The only risk I can see in this, the company derives 70% from the Philips or Signify, which is risk, because if they have bad relationship with Signify, so their business is going to impact, then you have to look for it, right? Every time you have to check if there how there is a relation with Signify. If there is any impacting, then you have to check and understand what is the new client. That's the only risk I can see. Otherwise, this looks very optimistic. Let's see the quarterly results. Just very small things we have as of now to study, but on basis of that we can understand. See the operating profit growing every quarter. We can see that operating profit is growing except one quarter. December 2023 we have 26 crores operating profit. Net profit is also growing in every quarter. Because of that, EPS is also growing. we have growing terms. Okay, in terms of reserves is good considering very small company. We have 447 crores of reserves, which has been increased in the last to last quarter. Okay, since the new company, we do not see any more FIs or DIs, in fact less. However, the promoter holding is 72.46, which is very good number of promoters holding. So nothing to worry in that. So this company is in the group of Kynes, Ultra Green Tech, Avalon and DCX. You know that how this company performs. If just go and check in the Google or Money Control or Skinner, this has given a 173, 176 and 80%, and this has the negative return. So there are chances to grow for this company because the fundamentals are good. This is as per the data available on the company, not for as per my recommendation. Okay, just check with your financial advisor. Do not take this as a recommendation, but basis of the available data, we can see that there is a good scope in this company. So look at some product of this particular company, right? LED lighting, we have already spoken. Product display, lighting, energy solution and others. So LED lights, rotary switch, fan regulator, lithium battery, USB charges. So they have wide range of product and great chance to grow in a long term. Also, some of the growth enablers for this company, as per the reports published by the company, they're looking for a capacity expansion in Noida, and once this capacity expansion is done, definitely this company is going to grow, and similarly the stock price also will rise like anything. Okay, so as per the data, looks like very optimistic company and growth opportunity long term, but study before investing in this particular stock because your money is matter a lot than anyone else. So let's see how this company perform in the future. We'll keep you posted. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe and share to your friend and keep investing.